All right, everybody, I got the 2016 Chevrolet 3500. My marker light was out right here. Looking some videos on YouTube to see if anybody had replaced theirs and what all they had to do. I started to take the headlight assembly out, but I found an easier way. What I done was pull this wheel well out, and as you can see, I got the bulb replaced. Just got to stick it back up there in place, but it can be done. It's kind of tight, but I basically took a screwdriver and just twisted it and got it loose, and then I was able to get two hands in there and plug the new bulb up. But so instead of having to take all this loose, pull your headlight assembly out, maybe I'll just pull your inner fender oil out and unplug it and plug your new bulb up. But just a quick video what you could possibly do. Might can help somebody out.